Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General clearance event. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder for anyone who is new to shopping the Dollar General clearance events. I have already uploaded a video going over everything that you need to know about DG clearance events, and I'm going to be linking that video in the pinned comment down below. In that video, I go over all of the most frequently asked questions, all kinds of tips and tricks, so if you haven't watched it already, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, let's go ahead and get into the details of this upcoming Dollar General clearance event. So this is going to start this Friday, September the 22nd, and run through Sunday, September the 24th. Now, this is going to be a seasonal only clearance event, meaning that the clearance section and our POG clearance items will not be included. But don't worry, because we have tons and tons and tons of categories that are going to be included in this clearance event. So we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of items to talk about. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first up, we have our Swim and Summer toys. So you want to be on the lookout for the pink square on the price tag. Keep in mind that this category does exclude the chalk and the bubbles. Now this category of items is currently sitting at 25% off or 50% off depending on your store. So this will vary from store to store. But during this Dollar General clearance event, these items will be an additional 50% off. All right, up next, also included in this DG clearance event, we have our lawn and garden category. Now, keep in mind that this category does exclude some items like grills, the coolers, potting soil, hoses, citronella fuel. And this is another one of those categories where it's going to depend on your store. Some stores have these items currently marked down to 25% off. Some are at 50% off. And during the clearance event, there will be an additional 50% off. Now, keep in mind, if you're ever in doubt, use your Dollar General app to scan, and price check those items before you go up to the register. All right, up next, we have our Green Dot home decor and our beach towels included. This is another category where it's going to depend on your store. They're either 25% off or 50% off. During the clearance event, there will be an additional 50% off. Now, I have included the visuals for the beach towels in this video, but I will have another video coming up here soon going over all the Green Dot home decor items as well. Now, keep in mind, on these beach towels, they are pretty much at 3 different price points. Some are $6, some are $8, and some are $12. And they will be an additional 50% off during this DG clearance event. Now, y'all make sure that you have your notifications turned on, because we are going to go over several different categories in this video that have recently joined our clearance markdowns. So I am putting those visuals together and getting those videos out ASAP. And speaking of, next up we have our spring and summer apparel and accessories. Now this does include the Yellow Dot and our Green Star apparel and accessories. Both of these categories are currently sitting at 25% off. I already have this video ready to go for you all. There are a lot of items included in these categories, so make sure that y'all stay tuned, because that video will be coming up next. All right, up next we have our spring stationery and party category, also included in this clearance event. So these items are currently sitting at 25% off. During the clearance event, they're going to be an additional 50% off. Here's a look at all of the items that are included in this category, along with their regular price and the UPC code. Now, while we're taking a look at all of these items, since this is a fairly large category, I do want to ask you all a quick question. Let me know down in the comment section below, what are your stores looking like out there? Do you still have a lot of lawn and garden, swim and summer, Green Dot home? Do you still have a lot of that on your shelves, or is it starting to look pretty bare? Let me know, because I know some of the stores in my area have started to manually mark some of these categories down to 70% off, just to make room for all of the fall and Christmas items that are already coming into the stores. So let me know what your stores are looking like out there. Let me know down in the comment section below. Now, also want to go ahead and give you all a heads up that I am missing a couple of the visuals from this category and the next category that we're going to take a look at here in just a second. So once I get those visuals for you all, I will be posting those in the community tab. So make sure that you check over there as well. Now, next up, we're also going to be taking a look at our summer stationery and party category. Again, this is a new category that just recently joined our clearance markdowns, and these are currently sitting at 25% off as well. So we do have a couple of coloring books included right here, and I'm still looking for pictures on those, but we also have more paper plates, napkins, and party supplies. So if you're looking to stock up on some paper plates, right now might be a really good time to do it. But again, I'm always curious to hear from you all, so you guys let me know down in the comment section below. Are you going to participate in this DG clearance event? Are you going to go out shopping and looking for deals? Or are you going to pass on this one and see if another one pops up here in a few weeks? All right, now also included, these categories just recently joined our clearance markdown. So we have Select Sun Care. These are currently sitting at 25% off. We also have summer insect items currently sitting at 25% off. We also have our 4th of July home decor currently sitting at 25% off. And then we also have our back to school category currently sitting at 25% off. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. I will have those visual videos up for you ASAP. Now, also included in this clearance event, we have our freezer bars. Now, these are currently sitting at 70% off. During the clearance event, these are going to be an additional 50% off. So you're going to get some really good deals on these freezer bars this weekend if you go out shopping. Now, here's a look at all of the ones that are included in this category. Next up, we also have our fireworks. These are currently sitting at 90% off. They will be an additional 50% off this weekend. Here is a list of all of the fireworks included in that category. Now, we also have select hand sanitizers and wipes included in this clearance event. And I believe that the clearance markdown on those will vary from store to store. And last but certainly not least, we have Red Dot Home. Now, this category is going to be 50% off of the regular price. So please make a mental note of that the Red Dot Home items are 50% off of their regular price. They are not currently on our clearance markdown list. Now, for all of my wonderful people who watch the videos all the way through, I do want to thank you all so very much. You have no idea how much that helps me out. And since you watched the video all the way through, we have one more thing to talk about. We have a really awesome sale coming up on Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys. They are going to be buy one, get one 75% off. This sale is going to start this Friday, September the 22nd and run through September the 28th. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. But don't forget, make sure that y'all stay tuned because I will have those visual videos coming up for you all ASAP. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.